Hey, here's a new fun and safe way to practice your squat. Many of you don't squat. Well, you could start with this. It's a safe way. You don't have weight pushing down on you. Check this out. Start in a plank position, just like this. And what you're gonna do is make sure you see a mirror. And you're gonna make sure you have natural curve in your back. Hold that natural curve in your back as you sit back all the way back into a squat position. Don't hyperextend. That's hyperflex. That's hyperextend. Don't hyperextend or hyperflex. Go right back to the middle, just like that. Hold that middle position as far back as you can go. How far can you maintain it before you lose it? Let's watch her. Keep going, keep going. She's losing it. She's going into flexion, so that's it. Readjust. She can't go that far. That is the position right there. Now the curve is maintained. Now return upright into your plank. Hold that. Bam, that's the max position, is the position that you move into without your low body moving into a butt wink or a low body flexion, as we call it here at Move U. Great safe way to train your abs, to train your foot, your knee position as you plank squat.
Fix your shit. Move you.